Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. This is lesson 20, and in this lesson we're going to be discussing more number rules. And in the past lesson we discussed that if you are discussing a thing which is masculine between 3 and 10, then the numbers that you're going to be describing are going to be feminine. And the opposite now we're going to discuss, that if you are talking about a feminine thing, then the number is going to be masculine. Anyway, let's go and read it and we'll discuss as we go along. In this lesson we learn the number from 3 to 10 with feminine ma'dud, meaning you are counting things which are feminine. We have already learned these numbers with masculine ma'dud, for example thalathatu abna in the last lesson. Now if the ma'dud is feminine, the ta marbut at the end of the number is omitted. For example, thalathu banatin. So basically the number becomes masculine for a feminine thing. Thalathu banatin, thalathatu abna'in. Okay, this is masculine, so the number is feminine, which we did in the last lesson. Here, thalathu banatin, the number becomes masculine for a feminine thing. Arba'u akhawatin, 4 sisters. Arba'atu ikhwatin. This is feminine for a masculine thing, brothers, and for a feminine thing, the number is masculine. So khamsu ummuhatin, 5 mothers, number masculine, thing that you're counting, feminine. Sittu nisa'in, 6 women. Sab'u talibatin, 7 lady students. Thamaniya ghurafin, 8 rooms. Ghuraf is the plural of ghurfatun, which is feminine, therefore thamani is masculine. And all of these are examples of the opposite that we did in the last lesson. Note that thamani has sukoon on the last letter. Asharu nisa'in, 10 women. Asharatu rijalin. Note that asharatu has fatha on the sheen and ashru has sukoon. The feminine of wahid is wahidatun and of ithnan is ithnatan. For example, li ukhtani ithnatani, li ukhtun wahidatun. Same thing as what we did in the last lesson, but for feminine things, ukhtun wahidatun instead of akhun wahidun, ukhtun wahidatun, this becomes feminine, and ukhtani ithnatani instead of ithnani, ithnatani, so that added ta is added in the middle here. So I have 1 sister, I have 2 sisters. New words, kalimatun, word, plural is kalimat, Indonesia. Ghurfatun, the plural is ghuraf. Majallatun, magazine. Darsun, plural is durus, lesson. Harfun, huruf is the plural. Ammun, paternal uncle, the plural is a'mamun.